out there? TGIF, happy Friday. Who's out there? Let me see who's tuning in. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Hashtag replay for me if you're watching this later on in the day. Where you guys tuning in from? So I just want to talk about the platform that we have out. Yes, $40,000 we crossed since we've been out and about. 40,000 guys. If you are not yet in the Facebook group, you want to get in the Facebook group to see what we have going on. We have a ton of newbies who are earning consistently using the platform. We're putting up our proof, showing people that it works, and we're just completing task-based platform, guys. So what I want to do is just invite you to come and join the Facebook group. We had a webinar this past Wednesday. We have another one coming up this Wednesday, every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, I'm still out here in Florida, but we are still working. Yes, we are. Hey guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. So yes, please make sure that you take the time to come and take a look at our Facebook group, see what's going on. Hey Sarah. Hey Shay, how you doing? Yes. Hey, beautiful. Let me know where you're tuning in from. The weather is beautiful out here. Nice sunny day today. Yes. Hey, Annie. How you doing, Annie? What's going on? Hey, Lysandra. Hey, guys. Is it possible to get that? Who's tuning in? Hey. Okay, thank you. Yes, we crossed $40,000, guys. It ain't even been 4 months yet. It hasn't even been 4 weeks yet. It hasn't been 4 weeks. Hey, Mary. Yes, I'm so excited. Hey, Jesslyn. Hey, Mona. Mona, can you inbox me when you get a chance? What's going on, guys? Yes, we're still working. I'm here in Florida. I'll be here for the month, but we still are working. People are still earning. We are still helping people every single day. One-on-one for your success. Hey, Paulette. How you doing? Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. Oklahoma City. So I just wanted to give you an update on everything that's going on. If you haven't yet taken a look at the program, you definitely want to take a look to see exactly what you're going to experience. Oh, thank you. Yes. I'm excited for everybody that's a part of the team. I'm excited for everybody that has started earning. Many more to come. Many more to come, guys. And I'll talk to you guys later. Hey, Paulette. Yes, I'm grateful to have you with us. Hey, Lamont. All right, so I hope everyone enjoys their weekend. Have a great weekend, guys. I just wanted to say happy Friday, let you guys know what's going on. I'm still here. I'm taking a little break today, but I'm still here. And I will see you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Love you guys. Have a great weekend.